Today I'm showing you a very spacious 4-bedroom house at Hartenbos. It also has a 2-bedroom flat at the back. As you can see, it has stunning sea views. Let's go have a look inside. You'll find your open plan living and dining room area, your entertainment, built-in bar and a built-in bar as well. Open plan kitchen. Gas hob. I will have a look at your first bedroom. Nice and spacious. There's open shelves which can be utilized as your cupboards. Your second bedroom, so nice and spacious. Also has an ensuite bathroom. Let's go and have a look at the master suite. Upstairs you'll find your master suite. You can see it's nice and spacious. Stunning laminated flooring. Nice and light room with sea views. Also has a walk-in cupboard. Ideal for the ladies. And of course your ensuite bathroom. This very spacious 4-bedroom house with a separate 2-bedroom apartment in Hartenbos is now up for sale.